back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me number 7 Alsok Security Transport Car. So as you can see, it's not actually a car but a van. This one I think is the Toyota Hiace model, and for the top of the box we can see the word Alsok and the link to the website. So this is some kind of advertisement for Alsok, the Alsok company. Anyway, for the back we can see it's made in 2009. And a warning label below. So let's take a look at the car or van. So yes, it is a Toyota Hiace van, not a car as the name suggests. And taking a look at it, on the front we have our Toyota logo as well as chrome headlights and a very nice matte black bumper. Also for the side we have our chrome 5-studded wheels, as well as a black line, some Japanese characters, and another black line below that. As you can see, the glass here is actually painted over with the words Alsok on a white background. This one is kind of moves around a bit when you touch it. So anyway, this one has another Alsok on the back and more Japanese words. And surprisingly, despite all this filled in, the boot still opens to reveal how the Alsok can be seen from inside. Like the back side of the Alsok part right there. For the other side, the same print of the Alsok and the same stripes. So, taking a look at the roof, you can see it's kind of like a classic van roof with a whole lot of your lines down here, which continue on to the front. So, for the base, we can see Toyota Hiace, scale 1 to 64, number 48, 2006. Well, it says number 48 because the original model was number 48, and this one just happens to be another version of it at number 7. So yeah, if you guys didn't notice, this is the April Fool's joke. So yeah, happy April Fool's, guys, and do like, comment, and subscribe.